How to install Figma app in Windows PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Figma application in Windows PC. Figma is a powerful web-based collaborative design tool which is used for creating and prototyping websites. Here's how you can install Figma application in your Windows PC. First of all, you will need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here, I have launched my Chrome browser. Now in the browser, in the search bar, type in figma.com/downloads. Once you have entered this URL, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Figma. Here, you will need to scroll down and under this desktop application section on the left, here look for a desktop app for Windows. Once you locate this link, you just simply need to click on it and then it will start downloading. You will be able to see the download icon at the top right corner of your screen. Wait until it gets installed on your device, and once downloaded, here now simply click on it and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now you will need to set up file and follow the on-screen prompts in order to install this application. Simply click on this run button right here and then you will see the application is installing on your device. Now wait until the setup process is completed. After that, you will be able to see this interface on your screen. Now you can sign into your Figma account. If you don't have an account, you may simply click on this create one and then create a new account. So this is how you can install Figma application on your Windows PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.